Right, this lesson I'm going to make a strong and a very good introduction on integration. Integration is one of the most important topics that we have in our syllabus for pure mathematics in the advanced maths program, as well as the A-level syllabus. Right, look here, integration is the reverse of differentiation. Right, importantly, again, let me also remind you to take this time so that you can subscribe to this channel as well as to like especially this video. Thank you. Right, so I'll be looking at integration. Right, when we are integrating, we say this is the integral sign. For example, which now means here, if I say integration of x to the power n with respect to x, so it means it will be dx. So it's basically integration with respect to x. So if you integrate with respect to x, it will be given as if you integrate it, it will be x to the power n plus 1 all over n plus 1, always plus c, which we quote as the constant of integration. Right, let's get into some examples a bit. For example, if I say on A, if I say integration of 3x to the power 5 dx, which means here it will be equals to 3x to the power 5 plus 1 all over 5 plus 1 plus c, which is my constant of integration, which will be now in this case equals to 3x to the power 6 all over 6 plus c, which is my constant of integration. Therefore here it will be now equals to x to the power 6. Simplifying this one, it means it's over 2 plus c, which is my constant of integration. So that becomes the answer here. Now let me give you again another example. If I give you the question, it says integration in this case of 3x squared minus 5x plus 2, everything with respect to x, so we say dx. So integrating this, we integrate it term by term, which means here it will be now integration of 3x to the power 3 plus 1, sorry, 2 plus 1 rather, not 3, 2 plus 1 all over 2 plus 1 minus 5x, it means it's to the power 1 plus 1 again all over 1 plus 1, plus you integrate 2, which is a constant, it means it gives us 2x plus c, which is a constant of integration. Therefore now, which means it now becomes in this case 3x cubed over 3 minus 5x squared over 2 plus 2x plus c, which now means it now becomes in this case x cubed minus 5x squared over 2 plus 2x plus c, again, which is our constant of integration. Right, now going further, for example, now if I again give you something like integration of square root of x with again with respect to x, so it's dx. So which means here it will be integration of x to the power half dx, which will be now equals to then we integrate now, therefore it will be x to the power 1 over 2 plus 1 over 1 over 2 plus 1, which plus constant of integration c, and therefore simplifying it, it will now in this case give us x to the power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2 plus constant of integration c. Simplifying it much better, it now becomes 2x to the power 3 over 2 all over 3 again plus our constant of integration c. Good. Now we also would like to take this opportunity to integrate expressions of the form ax plus b to the power n with respect to x, that is dx. This again is a very important one also that we need to understand. As you integrate this, it now means the integration of this, it will be now given by ax plus b to the power sorry about that, it will be ax it will be ax plus b to the power of n plus 1 all over n plus 1, you see, multiplied by, if you differentiate our expression ax plus b, if you differentiate this, it gives you the if y equals to this, it means that the derivative will be equals to a. So which means here you say multiply by a. So this becomes the formula here for if you are given this derivative. I'll be now giving you a number of examples in this regard. For example, if I say in this case integration of open bracket 2x minus 3 to the power of 5, say, with respect to x, that is dx, it means integrating it. If you integrate this, it means it will be now equals to 2x minus 3 to the power of 5 plus 1 all over 5 plus 1 multiplied by, if we integrate, if we differentiate 2x minus 3, we get a 2. Therefore, simplifying it further, it now becomes 2x minus 3 to the power of 6 all over 5 plus 1 is 6 times 2 is 12 plus c, our constant of integration. Again, on the same note, if I give you again another example just to make sure, if I give you integration of square root of 5x minus 1 with respect to x, again I say dx. Integrating this, all it means is that it will be now using by laws of exponents. It means it will be open bracket 5x minus 1 to the power of half dx. Taking it on further, now it now means if you differentiate 5x minus 1 here, the derivative my y dash is 5. So which now means as I integrate it, it will be now 5x minus 1 to the power of 5x minus 1 to the power of half plus 1 all over half plus 1 multiplied by 5 plus c, our constant of integration, which in this case now means that it will be now equals to 5x minus 1 to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1, that gives us 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2 multiplied by 5. So which now means, simplifying it to completion, it now becomes 2 into 5 2 into in this case 5x minus 1 to the power 3 over 2 all over 15 plus, in this case, c, our constant of integration. Just one more example. Still, it's now just for practice. If I give you integration of 1 over the square root of 4 plus 3x dx, which means here integrating this one, in this case it gives us, it means it will be equals to integrating it, it now becomes actually we must now redo it as this and say it's equals to 4 plus 3x everything to the power of minus half dx by using our laws of exponents. Then from there we now go on and say it's now equals to 4 plus 3x to the power of minus half plus 1 all over minus half plus 1 multiplied by, if you differentiate 4x plus 4 plus 3x, we get a 3. So which now means here in this case it will be equals to 4 plus 3x everything to the power of positive half divided by half times minus 3, half times positive 3 rather, half times 3, which now means here in this case it will be equals to 4 plus 3x to the power half all over 3 over 2. Simplifying it further, it gives us 2 over 3 into 4 plus 3x everything to the power 1 over 2. Thank you. I hope you'll be also able to watch the next video. May our good God bless you.